Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you a easy way to gather many springs in 7 days to die. So first things first, we'll need to have a salvaging tool like the wrench, the most basic salvaging tool you can get. And to increase the chances of getting the wrench, make sure you have the salvage operations skills upgraded to as many as you can, because this is going to increase the chance that you'll get a wrench inside of your loot. And the wrenches can be found inside of cars or inside of working stiff tools crates that you can find when you're looting some kind of a building. Now once you've gathered the wrench, go to a abandoned car, loot it, and once you do, just pick out your wrench and go ahead and left click or hold your left click while aiming at it. And as you can see, you'll get many parts from it, but most importantly, we'll have the springs. And also the salvage operation skills is going to give you more damage towards the salvaged items, and also is going to have a higher yield of resources. So this is pretty much all. How to gather springs in 7 days to die. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.